There is a secret that Allah loves most about you, and it's not how much you do, but how you do it. There is a hadith that carries such a gentle reminder for our hearts. Inna ahabbal a'mali ila Allahi adwamuha wa in qallat. The Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do good deeds properly, sincerely, and moderately, and know that the most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant, even if it were little." We often think that Allah loves only the great deeds, the big prayers, the huge sacrifices, the life changing moments. But this hadith reminds us Allah looks at your consistency, not your size. That quiet dua you whisper every night, that tiny moment of gratitude you never forget, that smile you give when your heart is tired, Allah loves it all. Because those little acts come from sincerity, and sincerity is what keeps faith alive. It's not about perfection, it's about perseverance. Allah doesn't ask you to do everything, He asks you to remain consistent, even with little. The one who remembers Allah daily in whispers is more beloved than one who remembers Him rarely, even if loudly. Because love grows not in bursts, but in gentle constancy. Every time you pray, every moment you thank Him, every tear you wipe away in patience, it's written, it's seen, it's beloved. Even when you fall, Allah doesn't expect perfection from you. He loves when you rise again. The secret is to keep showing up for Allah, even in your weakest days. Because consistency is love in action, and love is what Allah loves most. So don't underestimate your small daily deeds. To the world, they may seem tiny, but to Allah, they shine endlessly. Let every small act become your way of saying, Ya Allah, I haven't forgotten you. May Allah grant us hearts that stay constant in goodness, souls that remember Him in ease and hardship, and deeds that never fade away. Amin. Keep doing your small deeds. They are seen, they are loved, they are your quiet path to Jannah.